is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Today we are showing you Nissan's new EV concept, plus Hyundai's apparently got a problem with its current customer base, and a car that comes with a drone butler. Here's the latest in all things mobility.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Nissan has turned over a new leaf, but didn't get rid of the old one. Confused? Fear not, everything will fall into place with a little explanation. At this year's Tokyo Motor Show, Nissan pulled the wraps off an electric-powered concept car called the Aria. This 5-passenger SUV might have concept in its name, but it looks production-ready to us. Stretching about the same size as the current Rogue Sport utility, the Aria is ushering in a new design direction for the Nissan brand. The Aria has 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive, but Nissan stopped short of mentioning horsepower or driving range. Expect a production model very similar to this concept car to arrive within 1 to 2 years from now. Hyundai is finally given a big old bear hug to electrification, but here's to hoping the Electron charge doesn't shock the Korean carmaker too much. Of all the OEMs, Hyundai was arguably the slowest to unveil an EV game plan. Why, you might ask? Would a Hyundai balk at electric when everyone and their mother seems to be jumping on the hybrid electric train? Well, for starters, most people view Hyundai as a value proposition and its Genesis spin-off brand as tonier and more fancy. Hyundai was worried that the higher price tag of an EV might scare off the core customer. But a bigwig Hyundai exec recently mentioned that alternative fuel vehicle buyers are likelier to be college grads with about 50% higher household incomes, which I assumed he accompanied with a wink wink, please buy our cars, people in that category. Rather than worry about losing customers to a costlier EV-based fleet, it sounds like Hyundai is making the move to electric to attract new buyers who otherwise would have looked at other brands. So while we do like the sound of 13 hybrid and EV vehicles joining the Hyundai fleet by 2022, please Hyundai, bring them on, please, please, please. We are also going out on a limb and say we hope Hyundai keeps their future-friendly cars affordable so they can sell a whole bunch more of them. Just when you think you've seen it all, the weird, wild, wacky Tokyo Motor Show comes up with another futuristic gem to drop our collective jaws. This time around, it was Lexus's boringly named LF30 concept, which happens to harbor one of the coolest sounding accessories ever, the Lexus Airporter. You think you've seen the usual concept car tricks, right? Giant gull-wing doors, autonomous driving, 4 electric motors that deliver 536 horsepower, blah, 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 blah. But this baby also comes with, get this, its own drone. The Airporter is basically an automated flying helper to help with groceries or luggage. Okay, so autonomous tech is making us get kind of lazy about the whole driving thing, but are we so reliant on tech we need help getting our precious Whole Foods cargo to our front door? Yes, we are! Let me have it, Lexus. I can't wait for my very own airborne robot butler. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech. Be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Next on Ride News Now, Nissan's new concept. Wait, did I actually read this? Didn't I do this already? Of all the OEMs, Hyundai has arguably Of all of the OEMs, Hyundai had arguably oh my god, I did it again. This is my brain on drugs. This is my brain on food poisoning. Of all the OEMs, Hyundai has I just leave.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.